baby. Hold on there.
Suck it to me. So horny. So horny. So horny. Me love you long time.
Hey, Chris.
You're always a faggot.
Chris, I want to do the Love Me Sexy Me.
I have an awesome idea of the
Why?
Halo 3 porno.
No, shut up. There is no porno. There's just bacon and oats. Because that's all you can live off of because you're on welfare.
Shake and bake? What about shake and bake?
You like... faggot.
Hey.
Stuff jerk. At least your second half removed cousin didn't leave you.
I'm drinking my Coke. Oh, dude, I gotta go bathroom. I'll be right back, man. Hold on. I'll be right back. Hold on.
So did anyone see that last episode of Baywatch?
No, I did not. Guess what?
I think that's... Hey, let me check the party. Someone A-Wayne again? Joey's crappy mic going off again. Joey!
Joey, what are you doing?
Joey, 2 hands on the controller. 2 hands. That means nothing else. Is that it?
Joey.
I don't think he...
Joey.
Joey, there's a mute button on your button. I
What?
don't know if you know how to use that.
What? What the hell? What? What?
What are you doing,
What?
Joey?
Shit.